Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a Shein Lingerie Panty haul part 2. True colors shining through. True colors, they're black than me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a affordable, sexy see-through G-string collection lingerie panty haul from Shein, and this is going to be our part 2. So if you are interested to our collection for today, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, we are doing a lingerie panty haul from Shein. So I got this online at a discount a month. I got my collection at a very reasonable price, very budget friendly. I did have a cost saving from my doing my searching online. Shein is a very good online store. They are very famous for quality sort of stuff that you can buy in a very cost effective manner. So now let's move on to our lingerie panty haul collection part. So our item number 1 is, I'm very rusty, is what? Alright, let's dig in, okay? Right, so this is it, you guys. And this comes in a pouch. So when I got it online, so my advice to you is, when you do your online shopping at Shein, there is a certain period of time that you can get to a very cheaper or affordable time. So I'm not very sure what the week that you can purchase, but I just don't remember. I don't recall because it's been a long time. So I got it in a bunch, so it can save you like shipping cost. Okay, so just take that when you do your online shopping at Shein. Okay, so this comes in a pouch like this. They got their name here in front like that. Shein. Shein, right? Yes. So let's dig in. Most of these are in G-strings, lace, see-through type, because that's what I am after, and it's more I guess budget friendly. Anyway, okay, so this is it, you guys. Item number 1. Ooh, you got a red. Perfect. Perfect. I got a red thing here. Oh, this is very unique. This is very exotic type. Okay, so let me figure out what I can do with this lingerie. Here we go again with this shocking moment of mine. How can I get through this? Oh, okay, you got 2 hardwares here. Okay, here. And then that. Okay, and then how can I adjust? How can I adjust it? How can I adjust? Wait, you guys. I'm a little bit confused how to make this work. Maybe. Oh, okay. So you got to pull here, the string here. So that's a G string, T string. Okay, so I think that's it. Wait. Oh, okay, now you got it. Okay, so you just have to adjust here in the middle section. So here, this one here in the back side, look at that string, right? So you just have to make an adjustment to make it here in the middle. So that's what I get confused, because it was like here on the side. So it got like a little bit weird. So actually this one is the exotic one. Okay, so you got a bow here in the middle, and then you got a lace here. Alright, see through. Kita gyapon imong kagmaon. Diba? Okay, so that one right here. And you got the crotchless, right? Crotchless here in the middle. Look at that. See that? It's like a square type. Okay, right? Okay, and then when you turn this, wait, it's weird. So when you turn this on the back, it's just very difficult. Wait, huh? I think this is good with the model, no? I wish I have that body and I have a a good perfect body. I could model, but I cannot. Okay, so let me just do with the hand. Okay, try on with the hand. Let's try on sexy lingerie. All right, this is very sexy, you guys. Look at that. Here, if that's will be your backside. Okay, and when you do your front, that will be it like that. Oh, it's difficult. Like so, like that. Right. So yes, it's a very unique. The only thing that covers it is in the front. You would say, I still believe. I still believe. Iba? I'm very lucky with this lingerie panty haul with our channel. So we're very lucky and blessed, right? We have to take it by heart and share the blessing also to other people, right? All right, okay, guys. So that's it. Our first, di ba? Our first, kasi when you do your thumbnail, panganga, guys. Panganga. All right, so that's it. First one. So that's our first one, and now we are doing our second one. Okay. All right. So what is it? Let me dig it. Wrong bag. Where is it? Oh yeah, natagak. All right. Okay, guys. This is it. Jadan. All right. Same as well. Shein here in the front. Also here. Okay. There is a zipper here, and you can do this magic thing. Wow, very tiny. Oh, this one is the most simplest one. You don't have to worry about anything. You just have to wear it like that. It's only one string. Of course, the G string as well. I told you guys this is a G string collection, and also see-through. Yes, kita gibong kogmaon. All right, lace here in the front. It's a T, of course. T string man siya, guys. It's T string, okay. Very tiny, sexy lingerie. You got here a mesh type, right? Yes, mesh type. And look at that, very tiny, right? Okay. And the back is simple T, okay. So a T tongue, okay, right? Okay. So make sure that you can see it clearly in your eyes. Yeah, right eyes. Bright eyes. Are you bright eyes? You're gonna see true colors shining through. True colors, they're black than me. I see your true colors. That's what I love you. So don't be afraid to show it all. True panty. True panty. Beautiful. Like the way it is. Mugna. This is very light also material. Prices for this is around somewhere around 70 to 80 pesos. Okay, it's very durable, and you can see that the rubber side is very durable. This you can wear multiple of times. Even the lace is very solid, or not solid, but flexible in a way that it will not tear. Like how many washing it could get. Yes, it can survive a washing machine, but to give you more longevity of your lingerie, do a light hand wash. Okay, so light soap. If you want, just soak it in a few hours, leave it on, and then you can just wash, by hand. Wash it by hand gently and gently. So this can last because this is a very good design. I like it. Look at that, guys. Take a look. All right. It's a very nice design. Flower here, and then mesh type over here, like a dot. So I do certainly agree. Would I recommend it buying at Shein? purchasing it online through them, through their website, yes. But make sure that you not impulsive buying, but try a little bit, have a composure to hold your your eagerness of buying. Okay, wait until there is a sale. Okay, we are looking for the sale moment, so don't go for impulsive buying. Just wait until a moment where there is a sale, then buy it in bulk. So save more first to get more budget friendly, or budget, or like cost savings, or you can get more buck for your money, or you get more buying power. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. So this will be our video for today. So which one do you like best? Is it panty 1 or panty 2 from Shein? I hope like this lingerie panty haul from Shein. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So beautymagz here, signing off. Thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye.